Cwrs cyffrous ydw sy'n heriol I unrhyw un sydd â diddordeb mewn addysg I ddatblygu gwybodaeth, dealltwriaeth a sgiliau mewn ystod o weithgareddau corfforol.
An exciting course that is challenging to anyone who has an interest in physical education to develop knowledge, understanding and skills in a range of physical activities.
The majority of lessons will be theory-based in class, but in terms of the practical activities, it depends on the individual's area of expertise. The majority of students who go through to AS in Year 12 tend to opt for your traditional team games such as hockey, rugby, netball and football. However, we do have some other students who opt for some activities that aren't based in school, such as kayaking and horse riding. Those activities then will be assessed through the club, and we will look at those assessments and decide on the final mark before they go on to moderation from there. Video evidence will be expected as evidence basically to back up their standard of performance.
Dewis Addysg Gorfforol fel pwnc lefel A oherwydd rydw i'n teimlo fel fydd yn helpu fi gyda chwaraeon fi, sef kayaco yn y dyfodol. Ond hefyd fe nes I dewis oherwydd rydw i'n teimlo fel bydd e'n helpu fi mynd mewn I prifysgol I gwneud y pwnc.
I chose sports because I enjoy doing practical work and want to develop my skills more.
Dwi'n sy'n chwaraeon oherwydd rwy'n neud meddychel I Cymru. So rwy'n moyn datblygu fy sgiliau y fwy.
I chose sports because I thought that it would open many doors for my future. Being able to go to university like Cardiff Met to be able to do things such as physio or sports education if I wanted to be a sports teacher. It really interests me as I love doing sports and I find it really interesting as well as the theory because that's just really interesting.
Dywysais I addysg Gorfforol oherwydd rwy'n mwynhau dysgu ar ochr seiclig o'n pwnc a dysgu theories newydd am y pwnc.
Fi wedi dewis chwaraeon lefel A achos mae'n agor lot o drysau swyddi gwahanol fel physiotherapist neu athrawes chwaraeon.